What up guys, Miguel here of YugaTech, and Xiaomi is so confusing. I mean, not only did they release their flagships a few months ago, Redmi brought out the K20 and the K20 Pro, and we had reviews of the K20 Pro and a bunch of comparisons where I think some of you fought me, I don't know. But now we have Xiaomi Mi 9T, Redmi K20, the same thing, global version, Chinese version. So under all this plastic wrapping is obviously the box, and inside the box you get another box, and in that box you get some paperwork and a matte black case. Under that you get the unit itself. Let's set that aside first, and under that we get a charger and a USB Type-C to Type-A cable. So thank goodness. Moving to the device itself, we have this guy in the glacier blue colorway. It kind of looks like the fire red that we saw on the K20 Pro, but now in a blue format. So from Zuko to Azula! Oh, Avatar fans, let's go! Starting off with the display, you get a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel, and at first glance, it does look stunning. This is a true full-screen display with absolutely no obstructions, and that is of course possible by turning that front-facing camera into a pop-up light-up one. Yes, it does light up just like the K20 Pro, which means it doubles down as an LED notification light. For buttons and ports, on the left side you can find the red power button and a volume rocker. Aside from the pop-up camera on top, the 3.5mm audio jack and noise-cancelling mic for speakerphone can be found there as well. At the bottom you can find the dual SIM card tray along with the USB Type-C port for charging and data transfers, and lastly the single downward firing speaker, which most of us are not a fan of here, but you know, price for performance, budget's good. For software, this guy comes in Android 9 Pie out of the box skin with MIUI 10 on top. Powering the device is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 chipset and an Adreno 618 GPU. Our unit is in the 6GB of RAM plus 64GB of internal storage configuration, and we will definitely be putting it to its paces. For cameras, you get a triple camera setup here composed of a 48MP main shooter, an ultra-wide, and a telephoto. Some sample shots should be appearing on screen right now for you guys, so enjoy the music and enjoy the shots. Now, the Xiaomi Mi 9T will start at 15,990 pesos. That's for our variant we have right here. And for the 128GB of internal storage variant, that will cost you 17,990 pesos. So if you're interested, go and check out the Xiaomi store in Lazada. So that was our quick hands-on of the Redmi K20, Xiaomi Mi 9T. Let us know what you think of this guy in the comment section below, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.